Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an kasni palai ulai kundo yu Prime Minister gri India Narendra Modi New Delhi banikren halor ka Jingkieng Jri Living Root Bridges ka jilla barkar rung karteng ha ka UNESCO World Heritage List hadien ka jingya kundo Menteri Rangba ulo ong ya ki Jingkieng Jri ka Meghalaya la de banpha kum ka thup karpang banyo jing itho na ka UNESCO lingba ka sarkar India sha ka UNESCO kum ka World Heritage Site ngamla Henry ban ai ka jingero yu Prime Minister kumjuru yu Union Minister for Culture halor ka jing Krishan jungki ya ka ni ka jing shaji lo ong u Conrad ki sangma ki Jingkieng Jri ki de ki Jingkieng bakarpang ba jingya dei ba kamariang ki ba shem khambon ha Meghalaya khamtam ha ki banta jong ka ri khasi ba Janti Hills ya kini ki Jingkieng la shnada ka jingyaram suki ki jingyam aerial roots jong uding rubber fig ficus elastica ban jam ding ba ki wa bar kishnong ha kapor kum bakhat san hadu lai posnem kini ki jingyam kinang klan ba jingya snok tilang re ki klalong ki Jingkieng ba im ba bas khamba ki Jingkieng Jri ki la paunam na marka jingla ajungki banne de ki spas nem but Henry ki nam klan kat ba kapor ka yan ki pen ie ka jingya kop jingyar jingyong jong ka jing start pat ba indigenous knowledge ka jingyang nongrim jong ka jingya te bar kamariang bar ka jingya dei jingya ro hapdeng ubriu bar kamariang na kabenta ka jingdon kam ba ka jingya pher jongki hakaleng ka dustur kamariang bar ka komishna ka sarkar India kala pha pat ba ek nomination dozier jong ka living root bridge Jingkieng Jri Cultural Landscape Meghalaya Shaka UNESCO ban bisharbnya hakapor jingya khen jung usnem arajar arpunriu arajar arpunyo ya kani ka nomination dozier la IT patba do ambassador but permanent delegate jungkari India sha UNESCO o Vishal V Sharma ha ulazare azomo elando o director jungka UNESCO World Heritage Center hakapor jingya itu ya kani ka dozier u ambassador ulapan pau ke jingero ye ke jingelam ba ke jingya Krishan jong Prime Minister Narendra Modi u Union Minister for Culture u Gajendra Singh Shekhawat but Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya u Conrad ke sangma ringkar barki officer jong ka Archaeological Survey of India ka Ministry of External Affairs ki restart halor ka ni ka benta bar khamtam e ki shnong bar ki pat ba ke bla sumar but ai ka jingya da ye ka ni ka jingya pher pat ba Lucky Pau Pau Snem ka Jingkieng Jri Cultural Landscape ka penpau ka jingya day jingya pher bat jingya ro hapreng ubriu bat kamariang kabala seng nongrim ha kirukom impat ba kirukom pendon kami ka khendo ka syiam bat ka jinget ha ka may ram o ka kami kamariang kaba ai ka jingya lam ya ka jing impat ba sya ka jingyai ne ka jingya trei lang bat ka jingya da ya ka saudong saukun ka jingpha e ka ni ka nomination ka pin iru e ka jingyang scam jingari India ban sumar bat ban pin pau pat ba e ka jingya pher duster bat mariang jongka lingba ka UNESCO World Heritage Framework khamtam e ki rukam jingya da jingya trailang jongki pat ba shna
Friends, it is my privilege and honor to share with you the wonderful news that the Jingkieng Jri, the living root bridges of Meghalaya, are being nominated by India for the 2026-27 cycle for possible inscription as a World Heritage Site in the 49th Committee meeting in 2027. As India's ambassador and permanent representative to UNESCO, I thank Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, Honorable Culture Minister, Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, officers of the Archaeological Survey of India, of the Ministry of External Affairs, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad Sangma, Principal Secretary, Shri Frederic Kar Kongor, officers of the Government of Meghalaya, experts, and the local communities guarding this incredible cultural heritage of humanity for this historic nomination. I extend my warm greetings to the people of Meghalaya, and I assure you that we will leave no stone unturned in all our efforts to obtain this well-deserved recognition to the Jingkieng Jri of Meghalaya. I'll speak a line in the Khasi language. Naka liang jong ga kum u ambassador na India Shakha UNESCO ga e kublai kripang eki nongshong shong ka jala Meghalaya bad naka liang jong gi gim priang baro ki lat ki linti ban piono ka katai ka jingi tu ba kripang naka binta ki Jingkieng Jri living root bridges, Kiba Donha Ka Jala Meghalaya, Kublai Mithila. Thank you, and Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Thank you.
Thank you, Ambassador. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Friends, as you are all aware, the Jingkieng Jri, or the Living Root Bridge, has been sent as the official nomination of the Government of India for the UNESCO World Heritage Site. I take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Prime Minister as well as the Honorable Minister for Culture for considering our nomination. Thank you.